Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a newsletter for your Wix site, so let's get right into it. Now, to create a newsletter, you need to be at the dashboard for your site, and once you're here, you're going to go into the marketing section over here and click on email marketing. Once you're here, you will arrive at this page over here, and you can start setting up your newsletter. You can also set it up for social media as well, Facebook and Instagram ads if you want to, and as you can see here, you get the option to send your first email campaign if you want to, or choose from these templates, or just start with an email from scratch, or use AI if you want to. I'll click start email from scratch, and then it's gonna help you create your newsletter. You have pretty much similar tools as you would for your Wix site. You can add text, images, buttons, dividers, HTML, products, columns, logos, etc., etc. You can also change the theme from light to basic to dark to onyx to classic. You can pretty much do whatever you want for your newsletter, and then once you're done, you can preview and test the newsletter, and after that you click next, where you go to the add recipients page to set the recipients through your email campaign, and then you can go to the campaign overview, and once you view everything and find everything exceptionally satisfactory, you can click publish, and then your newsletter will be sent across all the email contacts that you have set under the recipients page. And that is basically all there is to it, to creating a newsletter on Wix. It is very easy, very quick to do, and it will help your site grow. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.